Alright, hey guys, what's up? Once again, dito tayo sa Toyota Calamba and walk-in tayo guys. So, nandito na ako before mag 7:30 as you all know since walk-in lang tayo. And yan, napasok na si V around 8:30. Alright, let's go! Alright, so sinisimula na nga 30,000 kilometers PMS. The last time we were here was last May for the 20,000 kilometers. And okay, so finally, we'll just have to wait. So yun guys, Velos Day Today 1, we got 2, 3, 4, and then yung sa ating unit, 5. So shout out sa mga Velos Club owners dito sa Toyota. Alright, so yun guys, we're here, aircon cleaning. Toyota Air Care. Legit. So ayan guys. Alright, so Toyota Air Care. And it is the first fully automated aircon evaporator cleaning service that removes dirt, molds, mildews, and other harmful builds-up sa ating sasakyan. So, kay Velos. And of course, so luckily, na-imbitahan tayo dito sa loob. So, shoutout Sir Marco. Maraming salamat. At papinayagan yung ma-witness ko yung cleaning. Ito, gumagamit sila ng Borneo device. So, as they call it, ito yung first na fully automated maintenance service na ginagamit ni Toyota para ma-check and if talagang kaya bang i-remove yung bacteria and yung mga molds. So yan, may camera yan, tinitingnan. And sabi nila dito, once that medyo malala na yung dirt, it's that time that kailangan baklasin na yung dashboard. So kailangan na talaga fully linisin. Kaya we don't want to be on that situation, and then that's why guys, please make sure at 25,000, 30,000, please do avail this Toyota Air Care sa Toyota. And yan, so you just have to wait 3 hours yung binigay na time sa akin na duration. Kasi nga, preparation, and then doing the cleaning, and then syempre, meron parang papahinga nila, something like that. Pero yun, once again, after the PMS, saka nila ginawa to. So yun, naimbitahan tayo dito to witness, to check, so how they do it. So yun guys, we just want to have like really good air, healthy air na ating nahasangka para hindi tayo sisipunin, uubuhin, and something like that. So we want something reliable, effective, and efficient. So dito yun lang yan guys sa Toyota Calamba. So once again, shout out, of course, and to know how much the price, it's about 6,000 guys overall, kasama yung sa PMS. So yun guys, just PM me, hit me on the comment section para malaman nyo yung full price. So I'll be willing to share the price kung magkano. So yun nga guys, we're just waiting, and then yan, as you can see. So it's a good thing that nakikita natin how they do it, and once again, really good. So yeah, just have to wait. After this, ika-carwash na nila, and then saka sa akin ibibigay. So once again, nag-walk-in lang tayo. Super suabe, free coffee, juice, and everything. Malakas yung wifi. So easily, pwede kayong mag-relax dito sa Toyota Calamba. So once again, shout out Sir Marco, and yan, of course, yung kita nyo guys, yung sticker sa mga kabelos natin. So yun guys. Once again, maraming salamat guys. Alright guys, once again, service is done. So ayun guys, clean, free car wash. You all know, pag nagpa-service dito sa Toyota guys, free car wash guys. Alright.